Yeah, come on.
After the shock, I hope that all recover kakra.
I wasn't shocked though. I was actually proud, but I didn't say that.
Proud?
Of course. The result.
Remember, they are proud now.
The performance.
So, Mokoje 5-2 no.
The performance.
Hey, who's to make you can't say me power?
Me say the performance.
What come will be a 5-2? Also, you're proud of my performance. A mom 5-2 no.
Of course. You're very proud. You're very proud.
I know. Did you know what to say?
Are they?
Me
no na yare o.
This I want some can be on me doing one. I got you 5-2. Yeah. Also, you're proud of my performance.
Of course.
Performance now, I got you 5-2.
I've said more bizarre things here in the same radio station. It's I mean, today we are still that's about it. See, I am going to be 4 or 5 years here, together, almost 4 years. So, it's meaning just that's your money. So, me.
You better follow. I mean,
no, I think the performance was good. Football is about results, granted. Like me, we need any argument to think that it was a good day for Chelsea now. But me describing a year with Chimo in Buffon, I'll describe it as a good loss.
Okay.
Because so only the current European champion able. Now, crown yes what Paris Saint-Germain get crown. But who coach is inexperience. In the second top job in in fact, the first top job in because Strasbourg net top job. Now, team no Asheno or Club World Cup. Ocean or Club World Cup no. Waba back Ababebo in Champions League knockout stage. In the knockout stage now Akobono. Which Obien himself for Paris Saint-Germain this season only a little bit of an up and down results kakra. But you go there, Obia Oshe gave me Bia will tell you that Chelsea were very comfortable playing at Paris against Paris Saint-Germain. So the results 5-2 for me flatters Paris Saint-Germain. And Omar Shady here, they will think that they've won the game because they played well, and they will get a shock of their life for Stamford Bridge.
The Luis Enrique I know, on your flattered with the result of in the first leg.
Yes, I won't know that you know him. Paris Saint-Germain, great, but Paris Saint-Germain, the scoreline of 2-1. No be anshebo ni bia. Obejin say Paris Saint-Germain bobo ankasa. But Chelsea were undone by themselves. That is why I'm saying that I am proud for the performance. The results obviously not. But it gives me a glimmer of hope as anything.
Okay.
So going into the game against Paris Saint-Germain, now Barcelona by Stamford Bridge you born 3 unanswered goals.
Okay.
Who is Paris Saint-Germain? Who bet me a G3 ni bi? You bet me a 5-1.
But the motivating question is there. Also trainer
4-1
with this
4-1
with defense
4-1.
Mun consider
4-1.
Measure 4-1.
Any Paris, any Barcelona the same defense you consider, but you bet me mom 4-1. You bet me mom 5-1. You bet me mom 6-2. It can happen.
Okujabo Luis Enrique.
Luis Enrique on a power baby.
Meneno wa be quiet. Ni deeper no.
Na mega
Azan ode
room. You need na power baby room.
The deeper no. Luis Enrique okujabo.
You na power baby room.
Okay.
When in room, a lot of things happen to him. In life, say you're successful. Highlight is on your success days, and it's good. From Barcelona coming straight to Paris Saint-Germain and the Spanish national team. But even Luis Enrique will understand that life has not been simple and straightforward for him. There are times where he hits roadblock too. So for me, the game, yes, it's difficult. Didn't say Chelsea beats Paris Saint-Germain that much, but I will not be surprised if it happens on Tuesday.
Sylvester Mensah, so Richard, don't be surprised if Chelsea overturn the result. This PSG team concede a lot of goals this season. If Chelsea get the first goal with a charged atmosphere and believe Chelsea can overturn the result.
Yeah, and you see, Rich,
it's easier said than done.
Sometimes, true, but you see, sometimes performance BC or Champions League, now say you want to turn it up. You want to begin to look at good omens. Nyema eye positive ebeba wakwem post sa match. And you want to look at what history had done for you. Into Washa, Chelsea for only feel Paris by. You are beginning to look back, say, the ball Champions League with that Ben Yako baby a Yelusu ebi a 4-1 5-2 a Yababa Kayaba turning around. They are looking at days at Dortmund, days against Napoli. Such nights. Have we ever beaten Paris Saint-Germain 3-0 or Stamford Bridge one manner? Yes, it has happened before in the history of the club. The Chelsea are beginning to go back. Plus, Anope, I think that the most profound thing that will happen to Chelsea in the lead up to Tuesday match, in terms of confidence, in terms of the club believing that they can hold on to Omo James, and 3, in terms of people who are clear. Yeah, Rhys James, after said Chelsea a Kokobo game against Paris Saint-Germain, has spoken about something. Now, this is what Rhys said. Rhys said, I want to say this again, but specifically to the Chelsea fans, the game is not done yet. It's only half time. We will give it everything at the bridge. Same for Wesley Fofana. For me again, one of the things that makes me proud, and we at Chelsea you can decide to take some penchant of hope from that, is the fact that boys in the back, they don't look like people who have thrown it away. They look like they want to put in a fight. And then Anope, according to David Austin, James are extending the contract at Chelsea by 6 more years, which is very, very positive in the lead up to a game on Tuesday. I am very certain say Reece extends our contract na check. But Chelsea are choosing to release and break the news now, especially in times where they need Omo captain, any Omo boys to really summon something and believe okay, you bet me I will Stamford Bridge. Obian Kasebeyefu against Paris Saint-Germain, against all clubs, or the defending champion of the Champions League, it's difficult. But I keep on saying this. Champions League is about moment. And if you want a clear example of why the Champions League is about moment, go now. Abranti Freno, Usman Dembele share. He came from a certain Cole Palmer mess. That probably would have been a different story. So if you set the moment and make your luck, say that you lay on your bed as you make it. Who make you luck now? You never know on a day the quality is there to be able to go and play in a game against Paris Saint-Germain. And it starts against Newcastle United. We can Chelsea go against Newcastle United. Newcastle have not won against Chelsea since 2012 or Stamford Bridge. In the month of March, in about a decade and more, the Chelsea have game with English Premier League. Month of March, they don't lose. At least it's a draw. If they can build on that momentum, get a good win or even a draw against Newcastle, go into Tuesday with confidence, then they believe that is the biggest thing. If players didn't believe so, there is a chance for them to do.
But I say, how pay history bow.
One year, no pay history. Be a show, be a copy. Sit down, just say, oh, Momo Baroma started. Na dead about that form and was that now, yeah, for be mao. But you see if you can use that to jump up because enough for all the clubs.
My good friend, Obli, take on your Richard. I know we, Manchester United, are not playing the Champions League. But what shall it profit us to go through all this stress just to be booted out into World Champions Penny? So, Rich, can we still say EPL is the best league? Or we take me and this message.
Rich.
And the Abba. Yeah, Champions League, many public that dies here. Yeah, maybe.
When the last time we bought Champions League?
I think 2023. Acho.
Africa got you, Mizache. See,
over 5-2 there.
Over 2 legs. We'll see. See, at the 520. We don't know a car. It's going to trump what we'll say. It's both Tuesday, and we get good results. I'll come back. If we don't get good results, we'll see if we can qualify and then move on from there.
Right, Angels, I say, I'm from copies from Ayala. I say it's not over until it's over. Chelsea will turn things around on Tuesday, trust me. And I'm kind of, it's easier said than done. Although I'm not done that. It's been well that. Okay, so be a new media grow. Ayala, good morning.
Good morning.
Na be able to there.
Oh yeah, I'm to be fine.
Na if we red card is you go for everything. You bishop a Paris Saint-Germain 4.
Also Mujo Mohudi.
Okay.
Also, first of all, message now will be sent. It is a message coming from a place of pain. Champions League, it is a World Cup. You go World Cup. You need to come to Baco. But we be want to qualify and go and play. I did bread. The participating itself is more glorifying. The financial aspect of the reason why there are some Manchester United players for some time now, I will say a team peso based on our contracts is that they've not been able to qualify to the Champions League. Yes. So when qualify for Champions League, players near aware say team minister kasem kofom. And say team minister kasem kofom wa. Mo so mo ye di team minister kasem ebo mo bra no. You have to understand and on my bafom. The prestige and no matter what qualifying to the elite competitions, and you hinge on say they are club back when as a country back on never jintino man could be a year way. And as I can go for Nigeria for Gomuso. Because soon as if Ghana is going to win the World Cup. But ya could be a man could be a moya. Until you obliterate yet to us here. You can be in a state of denial. Say no one say cause one tea. We understand. Now, Rich, baby, I make catch you say. We say everything starts from the state of the mind. Yes, everything. And to say, who are they be? Na who defeat your mindset at the meet me ya. That is where your failure starts. But even before you try it, you must believe it in your mind, so you can do it. And see, what Chelsea and all other clubs, believe you yourself say on bet me, you know. Rich, nobody can begrudge them. Etina say in the zone of supporters stroll, people can have their back and forth. But be bien wa eya bone say me Jim when they say ade be a dem but metimi aye. There is nothing wrong with that. Now I even posted it on social media. Football na yinyina ye di akire no. DSC pen. And Newman Kittinketia a decided stage I had during the Champions League maybe. I just hope say one next week Real Madrid and for Monsensumu ano enkasa enka Vinicius share ne penalty na. I just hope say young mobile you Stamford Bridge and my Chelsea phone ka say sa fit go no say ke yan consider. That is how these ties are decided. And so when the reaction of Paris Saint-Germain from omu players no park no so to omu technical bench ho and omu reserve players no any omu fans when that field goal entered now, it is as if they believe say this is the difference. For Real Madrid, they will cruise in their mind until it happens to them say they needed Vinicius to score that penalty. I said it will dawn on them. Why the 3-0 seems flattering. So you may think say you are home and dry. Oh, I say, oh, yes, at least try. We blew them away. And but just as you were able to beat City train, Rich, they can easily also turn the ties around. And why it comes to hit you, now you are crampless. Now, I saw some opinion from Obi, and I seem to tilt towards Sardian. On the conversation about the English clubs and all results.
Yeah. I'm sure with the hype.
It is not about just one midweek defining a league. No. But Rich, out of all the results, say, even if it is on the public plates, I will be a discussing. Say, English clubs now are our Champions League anymore. Out of all the English clubs results, no, emu dia now you say, oh, and when we say it look bad, but we emu dia a very good. Isn't the Arsenal one?
Yeah, honorable one against Leverkusen or the Buffy.
Good.
Emirates.
Now
Liverpool got that's right. 1-0.
Mm-hmm.
And also the bar.
Ediba. Now, out of all the results, no, say the English football home come now say all the English teams seem to attack Arsenal. So we born and enya fe biamumbo. Now Rich, out of Liverpool, Tottenham, Chelsea, could be a boy young Casamobo born enya fe no. The result that they got from the Champions League, as against Arsenal, the end and Calvert prefers a two team. Into football is gradually moving from the flamboyancy of it. And yes, sir, Rich, they be because of some yes, you know. Now, until kind 3 teams in the world are about champagne football. Now, we Arsenal film. They've lived that football now. Okay, size of follow. They've lived it all their lives. Super champagne football from Jack Wilshere. They've played fantastic football from Rosiski. Asalabu Boy Papa and Navenga. In the context of English football, no Biampum Bear with tiki taka pass, ball retention, when. But at the end of the one in our born on boy and an effort. I don't know.
No food has a manga diet.
Those days, Jose Mourinho in Chelsea or Buvengasa. I'm going to confirm the professor in Philo. Next time, no more than Jose Mourinho in Chelsea team. Very balanced game, tight, compact, physical. Now, Sebi, if they've gone on that trajectory, now we must blend. Wherever the resource is, I want to see a coupe. Sometimes let's forget about nice football and let's chase results. That is the only way we can turn this Arsenal team into a title-winning team. They don't even care about their own canon. If that is what is going to win them, it is going to win them. Sadiano. Now, going into the second leg, I'm from Anunsi. Rich, a quick glance through Champions League results. Which are the ties that are alive and which are the ties that are dead? And on that subject, I will start with my lovely club, Bodo Glimt. Rich, my fear power for them was that sometimes fairy tale stories go well when there is attention. It is a Messiah City, Messiah Atletico Madrid, Messiah Inter. Met me a year. But the moment I dropped to meet Sporting Club de Portugal, now, it didn't be I said that you know. Because so what's your Man City, what's your Inter, what's your Atletico, they can shoot them away. That is when a Todebia, a bookem. But what of I can say, and young moon can say, and Unya Kunya again, Rich, be anywhere. Football here, but you never have any doubt say they can go to Portugal and beat them there again. And on paper, the Bodo Sporting Club de Portugal tie is dead. Now, no matter how Arsenal Gidi said, Omo be 70% chance to qualify with Omo 1-1 draw on Boy, or the Bay Arena now. Rich, they still have to come and do their job at the Emirates. And they must come and finish it off. And I want to ask them money to get that job done. the trickiest of all the ties, Liverpool resource. No.
1-0, no.
Look, this season, Rich, Gala for Romania Abreu, they want to do something. And they seem to have the right players to tell them, say, Mustatinji Muhundi above the standard now. And a normal circumstances, and Gala at this time, Rich, will feel satisfied. Oh, you're realm into the cast stages. You share Liverpool. And Liverpool Liverpool club kese Champions League no omaji bebre omo pedigree eto mu ye kra enyewe. But which you could clearly see this kind Gala team doesn't even believe I was Liverpool yomo. Omo jide say we have the capacity to boot Liverpool out. Team ye share in the group stage is share no. It's a share knockout ya say the first leg. Other thing ye hu me say you bet me kwako yomo. And bibi sometimes to move from one place to the another, and just your intentions of the kind of business that you do. Would you say the Antina Galatasaray all of a sudden said, oh, Yanko Leroy Sanin Bra Yanko Chiesi can be an Apoliso Majibia, Nayamaki Osimen permanent. They were bringing those players in to change the mentality of the team, and it seems to be working. Yes, on paper, Liverpool should get a job done at Anfield. Also, Musoja, also mu players, turn it up. Now, Omutimi Gala for the film, but it is a job they will really suffer to do it. The Barcelona Newcastle one, I think that Barcelona will go through simply because from the first leg, Newcastle try and say they don't have the capacity to put Barcelona out. Sanka a team ya a bit me you Barca film and can the first leg results will show. So you perceive you omo. But only their chances on the day Barca were very poor. They still show say I say you need subani yet to boot a cathedral out of the Champions League and almost Spotify Cup Bruno Barca will boot them out. By and the end of the day, we also a lot of Romina Kongo to coin. Atletico will finish the job of Tottenham.
Okay.
Now comes to the last two. I think I have addressed those two. No make Paris Saint-Germain, Chelsea, Real Madrid, Atletico. No. But for the sake of first leg, Abraba teams, ebi abono. In pampering there, Rich, until the unforeseeable happens. I think that in all fairness and in all honesty, it is Paris Saint-Germain, Real Madrid going through in those ties for now.
Okay.
But for now, now, Mamin Kawena, Memphamanusi, say, oh, before Abusadia. And then I think they started from, was it Sports, Dario Sports. Then later I saw Mundo also do the story. And the evidence say Mundo in their article referred and also reference build. I'm yet to read the build article, but Mundo kept on referring to build, build. And when they refer to build, then they are quoting a trusted source of German football stories. And story in Nhyira say, now saying Tawana I have to say, as a club vessel free Red Bull for the whole and come back to coaching, And yes, or back for day-to-day club football. The expectation is that after probably the World Cup, on you say Julian Nagelsmann ever check with the German national team, and he want to get that job, and untina or person or placing in the beer. Say you want to be top now no consider he will put himself up and get the job.
Say club football or the tour.
Rich said Kasana story in it here, Kamako na say sorry. Because I've already told you. Say the Real Madrid team ni tie obi a who support Real Madrid bia and come who was ampibo we say club and Real Madrid team no. They have too much of a spirit to add club spirit to that club. And club na minimum no. Say obeje Real Madrid no omuma no akonya to operator. Na onyane team no say ne o say team ni nyane according to the way on club eye ne nyoma na. Rich, Real Madrid will be too hot for any team in Europe to handle. And it is only club and about Barca. Rich, obetimi aye de design Real Madrid winning back to back Champions League nibium. Club can do that easily with this Real Madrid team.
Okay.
It's me bomb pass story in the end of credit. Sabana all banning according to the close pass and in the sources, you know, and yeah for a club job. Including Real Madrid, name them in anticipation for the German national team.
Van Gaxen, I see Richard, the English Premier League teams are not having enough rest. Chelsea is playing tomorrow, while Paris Saint-Germain is still resting for Tuesday UEFA Champions League game. So how do you Kofi in the Premier League for any team in Libya?
First of all,
it seemed, let me say, time I mentioned the game, no, it dawned on me as I say, Chelsea players has on my break. Rich,
first of all, Mami starting fee, Rich James extending the contract, and I'll come to that.
Okay.
Say usually Abrabo boy, sometimes people take advantage of loyalty, and almost reward the loyalty, and the loyalty is losing the value. But you commit yourself, do a lot of work for them. And when no say so no pick a crabby mouse and also your life will be enhanced now. Then they find a lot of dubious reasons to tell you so scan could be no. Meanwhile, scan on no or your custodian no say oh no this can be.
Okay.
And usually, but you say for outsiders, they don't do that, especially for top institutions. Reward the loyalty. Mekai during the Roman Abramovich era. Obi ekoko tweet bibi say omo Madrid for. Now the tweet was that Rich James to Real Madrid, who says no? Rich Nankasa be quoted tweets say I said no. Abramovich era. Rich
Real Madrid buy.
I'm saying that somebody tweeted.
Okay.
And on one kasa quote he say he says no.
Okay.
Uncle. Rich James a Chelsea boy, Cuban boy through and through. Oko Chelsea won him at the age of 6. At the age of 7, Oko Fulham kakra. You know, back. Now, the very interesting is that Rich James Emiaba Lauren also plays for Chelsea. And this is the first sibling pair, male and female, Aluboma the English national team. Obaniboma the English Lionesses. He plays for the English men's team. And Omo Papa Nigel James, a UEFA licensed coach. In fact, some of the young players na Chelsea here to free the hinterlands of Europe to come. No? Adaptation has been taken care of by Nigel James. For a club that in the past, now come say, oh, they be almost a lot of players from outside. It represents the future. And especially the James family represents family. So Chelsea for something that you can call a family. It is the James family. Honestly, me also extend the contract by 6 years. You know, I keep on asking myself, why would Reese want to extend his contract for 6 more years at Chelsea? And then everybody dream, is he cannot pay? Is it just because he just believes in Chelsea? Forget about the project. But Chelsea, like that is the club, and he wants to be a one club man. All in all, I think that the good thing is that Chelsea fans have gotten somebody who tends to like the club. And if you're a Chelsea fan, you'll probably be very proud of Reece Watsona because he's the captain of the club. Especially because in recent times, some of Chelsea's best players, Eden Hazard, Moya, they have been taken away to clubs that wielded more power on the transfer market than them in Omodi Omoko. So that is a positive for them. There are a lot of factors that's affecting the English teams. Even Nhyira, Aston Villa match no Kokoshi Lille 1-0, so you could tell clearly that Villa were not up to speed in terms of the physical aspect of the game. If you compare them to
this is and as I home and away.
Which you see, apart from that, who said now, even in certain competitions, you home and away there from and they play just one leg. It do certain stage. But for me, my problem with the English Premier League is that at the end now, they pride as the best part of the league. You know? That is the very thing that is killing them. Me enye me mobo emomo. Enye me ya emomo. Because one. So because the English Premier League is one of the best leagues in the world. And this thing has been said by French people, it has been said by top Spaniards, it has been said by Italians, it has been said by the very same English people. Have said, say English Premier League, it is the best. People even go on and argue, say you can look at the UEFA coefficient based on performances in the last few years, and that's probably also suggests same. But at the Bakwa, if Obia being a say English Premier League a top league, and it's probably the best in the world, Omoka wants to reach the intensity. Rich, baby, Omeka say Brentford any Arsenal the intensity of the game, Arsenal can win the match because of quality than Brentford, but it is intense. You can't bat an eye. You and me if you run 1 minute, 2 minutes. You see how intense and competitive it is, and that is why people say that. Rich, ASI intensity now, ASI competition now. And then English Premier League teams there, Europe. If you are using just this 1 week, which is not enough, and we more stressy. And now Europe, the two clubs that have played the most games are Madrid and Chelsea. Think about 107 since last season ever. Then Paris Saint-Germain comes in there. Of course, all three of them played in the Club World Cup, so there was an extension of games on Coco Boye in the summer, which regularly need a regular calendar name. Which, but like you say, sometimes also certain clubs in certain leagues plan league because need sika to compete with the English Premier League to buy the depth of players Rich, if you look at Barcelona's team now, all they compare club to say Arsenal. Barca don't have the depth that Arsenal have. Barca don't have the depth that Liverpool have. Barca don't dare think that they have the depth that Manchester City have. In fact, in terms of depth, Chelsea may be closer to Barcelona once you take the starting 11. Because take Barca's front three, Lewandowski, Dani Olmo. I'm not talking about quality. Lamine Yamal, a few of them. Cole Palmer, Estevao, and Joao Pedro Neto, Garnacho, Fifi, Mark Bernal, Pedri, Casado, all of those guys. Esugo, Caicedo, Enzo Fernandes, Andre Santos, Romeo Lavia. Then go to the back line, center back. Then go and talk about goalkeepers. So those clubs do not have the depth that you have. But what they have is that Ombetina arrange your fixtures in a way that it doesn't stress them. And that's what Paris Saint-Germain straight. The French league is there. The competition is there. You need Chelsea, Real Madrid, some of the most games in a long time. I think that game was supposed to be against RC Lyon and RC Rennes. Big game. Almost Lyon, just one point per league. So
you can imagine.
For us to get a quality league game later, Niam prepare for Chelsea match and go and play them. However, Chelsea are playing against Newcastle United. And also, Chelsea say, you have more money. Yes, you himself with the Qataris have money, but in terms of TV rights, any leagues, you have more money. Also, champion Club World Cup, is catching in that competition. So put that money to use and use Odette, to play a league game and then present a new team. Aside that, Chelsea Kobo exam 9 players, Kopam and Tukwai, Enzo Fernandez and Tukwai. All of the team that went to play against Wrexham, 9 solid players in the rest here in the lead up to the Paris Saint-Germain game. So it is these small things that come probably to hurt them. But I have a strange feeling. Say next week, the English Premier League teams, at least 3-4 of them, may turn things around.
Simpson, I'm surprised that Ayala think Jurgen Klopp will be successful at Real Madrid, knowing very well that Real Madrid dictates to their managers, especially during the transfer window. Club do not like that.
So what I'm saying, club about Real Madrid, you will be successful if he is allowed to work.
Okay.
And
Obian club on Pesa. Even about Liverpool, we saw it.
Club one of those managers who will insist on certain things and something like that.
On one
and you're negotiable.
Exactly. Do this out.
Exactly. You give him his power.
Certain coaches are uncompromised. No way of
baby.
Arsenal got rid of Real Madrid last season. Was Arsenal playing any game less in the EPL? Some of these things happen. Doesn't mean they didn't perform this midweek because of the number of games. Barca, David ended this message at the Abbey. Okay, and so I say, and yet the number of games are English teams in Ebono because this last season now, Arsenal get rid of. The same.
I am one person who doesn't trivialize arguments, but I seems to be biased when it comes to Sars MWay. I don't believe in Sir tantrums now. Ayana English press and no journalists no. And so much if things don't go well with them. Say no me koya. They believe they have the best league and they have the best teams. And papa also show bia and until I all English final between Liverpool and Tottenham, Man City J Champions League, Liverpool J Champions League. They say we are the best. Now see a ball playoffs in the year where the number of teams are a free federations are. The English ones were many than Obia. Almost say it's a testament. Say league there, papa. They lose. Then they come in with excuses and come and tell you we are playing too many matches away. Look, have they forgotten? Say the number of competitions or more on, and the way almost among Man City and also something among the richest. So you have the money. Mm-hmm. Give yourself squad in depth if you want to compete. So at any level within the season, you can be fresh. It's how you manage things.
Alignment, I say, different Chelsea supporters are not there. It's like telling me I'll become president in future. If I'm referee now.